I'd like to talk briefly about Boiler Plus. This is a government initiative. It was introduced on the 6th of April 2018. It applies to England only. Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland are not included at the moment. But it's the government's hope that this initiative will improve the efficiency of boiler installations. All boilers are affected, both system boilers and combination boilers. All boilers must have a minimum space heating efficiency, that's an ERP space heating efficiency of 92%. All Vokeras achieve this efficiency. In addition to that, any combination boiler fitted into an existing system or a new installation, but excluding new build developments, must have an additional energy saving measure fitted at the time of installation. And the government have specified 4 measures, one of which must be on each combination boiler. They are load compensation. That would be a thermostat that adjusts the boiler flow temperature dependent on the demand from the property. So the greater the demand, the hotter the boiler operates. As the demand reduces, the boiler reduces its flow output temperature. Because the cooler the boiler runs, the more efficient it becomes. The second option, weather compensation. This is where the boiler flow temperature output is aligned with external conditions. So the colder the day, the hotter the boiler operates, the milder the day, the cooler the boiler operates, thereby improving its efficiency. The third option is smart thermostats. These are usually internet connected, but they must offer 2 functions: optimization and automation. The last measure is not a control, but it's called passive flue heat recovery. This is Vokera's passive flue heat recovery unit, and the principle of its operation is when connecting a combination boiler to the cold main, usually the cold main is taken straight into the boiler. With passive flue heat recovery, the unit is placed on or in the boiler. The flue gases are taken through the boiler or through the recovery unit. Around that flue passage is a tube containing the cold main. So the cold water inlet is taken into the recovery unit. The mains water passes through the flue gases, in effect preheating the cold water, which is then taken into the cold water inlet of the boiler. So the boiler does not have to work so hard to produce hot water, improving its efficiency. They are the 4 measures to comply with the Boiler Plus scheme, and of course Vokera offer one for each of them. Thank you for watching. For more in-depth videos, please view the rest of the series. If you are a registered gas installer, please register for Vokera Affinity.